Ah, fast start. You went first. It's what happens when you hit a fucking wall.
All
right, all tuned in right now.
Don't know what the fuck you're saying, man. Like, English. Yeah, what? Means nothing to me.
The match stops there and Shakadze tries to pop.
We're gonna do it again.
We're
We're gonna do it again. We're gonna do it again. You're stronger than I fucking thought.
How can you not look
I will
there?
straighten my wrist when you stop that carve. I will straighten it when you stop that carve.
I knew the microphones on the table would...
Stay with that arm and staying with that hand. Nugo engages the pronation. So hard to separate that from his hand.
It's not over yet. We gotta do it again. We gotta do it again.
Matt Mask irritating one Matt Mask.
Oh my word, Shakadze.
Bulldog.
And I'm not a master when it comes to the English language, but I'm pretty sure I heard bull.